Shake, shake. Hi, everyone. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue to look at the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders, and today we are on day 16. Before we dive into day 16, I wanted to look at the back and see if there are dies that are sneak peeked on the back, but we haven't seen them yet. Not just dies, I mean products in general. It looks like this horseshoe. I don't know if that's a horseshoe, but it kind of looks like a horseshoe. So we haven't seen that one yet. I wonder where that is. We'll see. Okay, day 16 is right here, and let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, ta-da-da. Oh, looks like these are dies. More die sets. Yay. Sentiment dies, I mean. Let's get this open and take a look at the sentiments we have here and also at the size of these. So this is a nice curved banner. Looks like this is 2.5 inches long by about 1 inch tall. And we have 3 banner options: happy day, congrats, and good vibes. Okay, cool. Love these. I'm going to pause, work on my project, and I'll be back. Here is a look at my card featuring day 16, the sentiment banner from the Crafty Advent Calendar. I will say I did struggle with this card because, you know, a sentiment banner, I kind of wanted to combine it with other products from the Advent Calendar, but then I was like, maybe I should look for some other products in my stash that I can use this with. And so I decided to use the Vivid Blooms die set. This is an older die set, a floral die set, very beautiful. I do have a video tutorial on my channel featuring this die set where I share a card or a couple of cards, I can't remember. You can find a link to that video in the video description below. But anyhow, I created a floral cluster. You can see that there is like a little bit of dark blue in the background. That's because I initially made this on indigo cardstock. I actually used, once again, my molded frame embossing folder and created an arrangement on top of that embossed design. But I didn't like it. It didn't click for me. It didn't look good. So I cut it out and I instead placed it onto a white cardstock panel. So this is how this card came about. I do like the way this looks. It's a much cleaner, much simpler card. Now I added a happy birthday sentiment here because I don't have enough birthday cards and I really need to make more birthday cards, and I felt like the happy day banner kind of went nice with the happy birthday. So for the happy birthday, you guys probably already recognize this little design. I used the Ideal Moments sentiments letterpress plate set that I have been using nearly every day during the Advent Calendar video series, but I love it. It still works. It looks beautiful. For my little floral arrangement, I tried different color combinations. At first, I was kind of going with a peach and green color combo. Didn't like that. You can see I have a whole bunch of die cuts in here. That's because, again, I was experimenting with all sorts of different colors. The colors that I do have here are Oceanside. I also have Fern, a little bit of Rainforest. I then have a whole bunch of the palest pink. So we have Chiffon, we have Blush, we also have Bellini here, Wildberry, and even Dahlia. So you can see this is a slightly different color combination for me. I also brought in the brushed black for the center of the largest flower, and then the gold glitter cardstock for some gold accents, as well as peach blush gems to create the flower centers of the smallest flowers. So this is a look at day 16 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow for day 17.